Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my lovely students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn some names of some animals, okay? Animals, animals, حيوانات, animals, okay? Okay, let's start. What's this? It's a cat, cat, cat. Cat. Okay, great. Cat. Okay, and what's this? It's a cow. 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 Okay, great. What's this? It's a chicken. 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 Okay, great, excellent. Okay, then what's this? Oh, duck, 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 duck. Great job, excellent. Okay, and what's this? It's a spider, spider, spider. Spider, spider. Okay, great job. Like Spider-Man. Great job. Excellent. What's this? Horse, 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 horse. Okay, horse. Great job. Excellent. Okay, what's this? Donkey, donkey. Donkey, donkey. It's a donkey. Great job. Excellent. Great. Okay. What's this? Goat. It's a goat. 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 Great job. Excellent. Okay. What's this? It's a sheep. 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 Okay, great job, excellent. Okay, here, what's this? It's a camel, 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 camel. Great, it's a camel. Great job, excellent. Thanks a lot and goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.